Hello, my name is Trax Joseph. Currently, we are humbly requesting everyone around the world to pray for the country of Haiti. No matter your religion or belief, we invite you to join us in this call to pray. Every prayer received will be posted on our website that the people of Haiti can see that you are thinking about them during this difficult time. We appreciate your kind word and thank you in advance for your prayer.